Well, hello everyone from Gettysburg. Famous Hotel Gettysburg over there. This is Lincoln Square. And we're gonna go cruise around and hunt through Gettysburg and do a whole little Gettysburg thing and get some lunch. So please follow the video and enjoy. All right, so we're just walking down Baltimore Street. There's tons of little plaques on all the old buildings here, old houses. And we're just gonna go find a lunch spot somewhere off here. I think it was called Dobbin's house. At least that's what Nicole said, so.
Oldest Tavern.
Yeah, look, Civil War building right here. Tons of cute little areas. All right, so this is Mr. G's Ice Cream. Been around since 1819. There's just stuff everywhere that you can look at. It's a really cool little place. You can see over here this building, another restaurant. We're just gonna keep going up the road. All right, guys. So this is basically where we're gonna go, Dobbin House. And next to it is the Dobbin Tavern for lunch. It is actually the oldest tavern in Gettysburg, dating back to the late 1700s. So you can see right here, let you read a little bit of history for the channel. And we'll check it out. Dobbin House recipe. All right. This place is amazing. Try and do a little bit of some stuff so you can see. I don't like videotaping people when we're at restaurants. I just think it's rude. So yeah, let's go through the menu. It'll be interesting to see the gluten-free options here. But yeah. All right, so they have their own little root beer, and they actually add diet, so pretty cool. Dobbin House recipe. All right. Baked potato, we got the spit chicken. This looks great. And Nicole went with a salamagundi salad. It's got baked ham on it, avocado, some cheeses, egg. We did the herb dressing. And mine actually came with a salad, but I was so hungry I ate it. And this just comes with a nice side of salad cream. All right. Lunch was really good. Salad dressing was really good on mine. The potatoes well cooked. I really enjoyed the chicken, actually. Really good seasoning on there. And it wasn't too dry, which sometimes they can be. Some of these colonial type places that do these, I feel sometimes can either be hit or miss. Some are really good and some are just kind of a gimmick in my personal opinion, but that one was really good. Cool salad, she says it was very fresh. So yeah, so we're gonna go cruise around. I'll add a couple more things from Gettysburg at the end of the video, just to add to the flavor of how charming this little area is in Pennsylvania. All right, at the battlefield area over here in Gettysburg, you can see the horse all the way off in the distance. Don't mind the cars, they weren't here 200 and something years ago. So yeah, over 50,000 people died here at this battle. It's pretty crazy.